Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Rapids Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Rapids Wallet application on your device and you will see the Create New Wallet option. Tap on this to sign up and you will be shown your seed phrase, which you will need to save or copy if you wish to access your wallet or your account again in the future. Now underneath within the title, you can enter the title for your wallet based on your desire. Then tap on the next button and tap on the yes button to start creating your new wallet. You will now be asked to enter your desired password. After entering your desired password, tap on the set password button and you will be asked to enter this password once again for confirmation. After typing in this new password once again, tap on the confirm password button and you will be asked if you wish to use biometric authentication. Tap on it whichever option you wish to use. And now this will create your wallet right away. You can now start trading by accessing your wallet to send and receive your currency. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Rapids Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.